I just be bugging underground, I like the bees. My second stage ain't release my cage. I'll come out in the dark, run away from the headlights of cars. Too many people, too much for my feeble cicada mind. Kinda like cramming. I don't wanna talk to people too long and feel like spamming. Besides, they ain't want me, they just laughing all of me away. You found that I planned it to explore. I should only come out at night. No people, no slaps, straight dead quiet. Just a fucking nuisance. Feel like I am pretty influenced from Queens, Bronx, motherfucking brats. New sections of me and motherfucking ants. I got a shield where I be standing still, please don't invest a fucking gate. You see me walking through normal shit, I'm trying to play it fucking safe.
All you do is see my face, all you do is see my skin. All in my hair, it's shots of me, hair rims. All in my hair, the sound of buzz begin. I told you when it kicked in.
Second segment got me talking about my interests. Planes have been flying, just don't put me near fishes. Maybe just for fun, we can do some listing. Put on some music for your ears and listen. Third segment, you know me. You know my future, my present, and my fucking army. I love long walks on the mountains, but not on the beach. I don't know why people just make me feel weak. All my experience of happiness cause future fucking challenges. I do like fucking flying, it isn't just fucking probably. The birds in the sky, eating bugs coldly, strongly. I motherfucking believe one man's trash is another man's steez. Trips and boys, now that's fucking clean. Fears are weird, but not my ideas.